Hi, I'm Lydia. I'm here with Riton. We're gonna make some of our favorite wild game recipes with you. Today we're doing a chorizo breakfast burrito. So I've got some elk chorizo that's already been mixed. So I'm gonna brown it in a skillet and we'll build a burrito. So while the elk is browning, I like to kind of make sure that I have everything I need already available. So of course you're gonna need tortillas. I like to do sliced avocados. I like to do some of my favorite salsa or Pico de Gallo. And then of course shredded cheese. That's the umami of it. We also add some eggs to our chorizo to make kind of more of the stuffing inside. So a lot of people don't know that Arizona has elk as wild game. It's one of our big 10 big game animals to hunt. I like to archery hunt. I have not yet been able to harvest an elk, so this was actually gifted meat. But it is amazing. It is very lean. It is a great way of getting organic protein into your family's diet. So now that the chorizo has been fully browned, I pushed it all over to one side and I'm gonna start cracking eggs on the other side and kind of cook the eggs and then stir them all together. So I cracked 4 eggs in to about a pound of chorizo. I like my burritos a little bit more meaty, but the eggs and the meat give you enough protein to last throughout your whole camp or whatever you're doing for the day. You can also break up the yolks. You can season it with salt and pepper if you'd like, but the chorizo has such a great flavor that I really don't ever season my eggs. So I kind of cook the eggs and break up the yolk. It's okay if you mix the chorizo a little bit while you're cooking the eggs, but I try to keep them a little separate and then mix them all together at the end. I'm gonna warm up some tortillas. You don't have to. Just give these eggs another stir. Let them kind of marry together in the pan. Now you can add as many eggs as you want to your pound of meat. It really just is your own preference. Like I said, I prefer mine a little bit more meaty. So now that your tortilla is done warming and the eggs and chorizo mixture are made, get a nice helping on the burrito tortilla. You can always add extra cheese if you'd like, but like I said, I like to add some salsa. And I also like avocado, the superfood. Now this takes some technique, which I'm not a professional. But there you have it, a breakfast burrito.